Yes, I'm just busy until 3 p.m. Where is the garage?
It's on the corner of the street, next to a church.
Okay. Hello? I have an appointment to check my car today. No, my friend's car. Her name is Mary. Okay, please wait for me for a few minutes. By the way, are there any telephone booths nearby? My phone is running out of battery. Yes. You can go straight following the bicycle path, then turn left when you meet a big road sign. It's in the right hand. Okay, thank you. How long does it take? Then I can come back in time. 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, I see. Hello, Mary.
Oh, who is calling?
It's Sam.
Oh, hi, Sam. Is everything good? Why do you use a telephone booth?
Yes, everything is fine. My phone is running out of battery. They will finish checking in 40 minutes. Did you get off work at that time? I will come to pick you up.
40 minutes? Is it okay for you because you cannot use your mobile phone?
Is there anywhere I can stay to wait for you?
There is a Mexican restaurant opposite my school. You can wait for me there. Then we can have dinner together as well.
Is there a parking